Hey, it's Dave, and this is Someday is Today. Hey, it's Dave from Someday is Today, and I wanted to touch base with all of you about saving money. And I think all of us want to do that as we do our traveling and have our RV experience. And I covered this a little bit in my RV water heater and maintenance checklist videos. But at the bottom of my channel, under Awesome Channels, is the link to National RV Training Academy, and I think they've got a great program to teach people about RVs and how to fix things. 80% of what could potentially go wrong could probably be fixed by the owner of the RV if they're educated. So take a look at their channel, and they also have an owner program, and we'll see you down the road.